Hey, what's up guys, Scratchy here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the backdrop in Scratch. So first we need two backdrops. For this, two or more. I'm going to go to choose a backdrop. For now I'll take Fantasy. For one, let's take Witch House. And for another one, I'll take underwater, this one. Okay, this looks great. So first we'll need a sprite. If you don't want a sprite, you can not use a sprite, but I'll show you how to use it with a sprite. So first I'll choose the sprite, then go to events, drag a when green flag clicked block, go to control, wait 1 second, go to looks, drag a say block. It'll say hello for 2 seconds. I'll duplicate it and I'll say let's go to the castle, or anything you want. Just just put the name of the backdrop. So let's see. Hello. Let's go to the castle. Okay, for now this is fine. And I'll go to events. I'll put a broadcast message 1 block. So what this message 1 basically is you have to broadcast it from any sprite, and if you put when I receive this message and put any sort of coding underneath it, it will follow the code you put right after a broadcasting message. So now I'll go. Okay, no, I didn't want this one. This mouse is really faulty. Okay, I'll go to code. Okay, backdrop is selected now. I'll go to events. When green flag clicked, switch backdrop to underwater, which is this one. Then I'll go to events again, and I'll drag it when I receive message 1 block, and I'll be switch backdrop to Witch House. Let's see how this works. Hello. Let's go to the castle, and boom, there you go. You can add some more stories to it, like you can add a new sprite, another sprite in it, and you can make it talk, anything. But anyways, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys.